Welcome back. Today I'm going to review the shirt organizer from Nomatic. And it just came in the mail this week. If you saw some of my other videos, you know I got the travel pack from Nomatic and I was very impressed with the build quality. And recently Nomatic had a Black Friday sale, so I decided to try a few of their travel accessories. Now this is for your shirts to keep them folded, and then when they're in there, they've got this nice handle. So again, you've got Velcro here, undo it here. Nomatic has a video on their website that I watched about how this works, so I have never used it before, but I'm going to attempt to replicate what they did. So this is a hard insert, and you take a shirt you have and you simply put the insert inside, and then I think he did it this way. You fold the shirt around the insert like they would do in the store and fold in the sleeves down, and then you slip it out the bottom like this, and you've got each one in the stack, and then you keep reusing the way he did it. You keep reusing the shirt, this part, and slip it out each one. Then when you're done, it goes back in the bottom. So this shirt here I didn't do it super well this time, but it gets it into the square shape, and then the idea is you fold in the flaps like this, and then you can have your shirts, your nicer folded long sleeve shirts or whatever, in that stack, and the solid, that plastic piece, helps it maintain its shape. So then you could just throw this in the bottom of your bag and you're good to go. So again, it says it's durable ripstop material, and it feels very well designed to me, and I'm excited to try it on my next trip for those nicer button-down shirts. Keep them all in order, put them in a stack, and I'll know they're right here in my Nomatic shirt organizer. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.